This is a new video about how to configure the 14 and firewall with the basic configuration. Because every time you are deploying a new firewall, you just need to do a basic configuration that which need to be configured to take the SSH and for the management HTTPS purpose. So coming to the video, I'm just using this Peanut Lab. Which is running in the ESXi. So it's kind of a virtual environment. Instead of working on this Fortinet and those kind of a firewall segment, I have experience on ESXi and below that as well. So in future, I will tell you how to configure this VNet lab so that you can able to easily deploy the VMs and you can able to teach yourself how to use this virtualization environment. Okay, coming to the video, um, there is a firewall video which is in standalone, it's not in HA. Okay. Downside LAN, I have configured one virtual machine. I mean, one into the video, you can able to see my screen. For the login prompt, you have to enter admin as a default credential and you have to press enter. Then you will ask a new password. For example, I will press 123. You can see the default database configuration of this respective command. So, system interface question mark. Okay. See, for the port 2 we need to configure as a WAN port, which is in 12 subnet. Okay, and for the management I am using port 4, and for the port 1 I need to configure 11. Okay, I'll take a management of this firewall first. Okay. System port 4. In the real time, we used to have the same configuration with the management port. This is the virtual firewall, right? So you don't have the management interface with it. Uh, if you are deploying this Palo Alto firewall in the virtualization, you can able to see the management interface. It's dedicated because Palo Alto is somewhat different. Uh, the management plane and those steps are different than this FortiGate. Coming to the FortiGate, I will give you how to configure the inputs, set some GMT. This alias, this command is used for like it's a description purpose to acknowledge what is the use of this port. Okay, to say that. Okay, set mode static because see see here this port 1 is in DHCP but this port 4 is in static, but anyway this command is pretty good. You have to enter it before. Don't know what is the default configuration. So better to set more as a static when you are configuring in the CL. Set IP, set IP, the syntax way. 16 set allow access HTTP SSH. Telnet is a vulnerable mode, so I need to mention this telnet. Okay. Set status. Status dot 11 dot. Do you know why it's happening? Because we don't have a specific role for it. Take a minute role for management. Static. If you want to know what are all the commands that need to be entered, press question mark. You can able to see set of all commands to set the star mark, right? This is need to be a mandatory thing. If you are configuring a route, this star is need to be mandatory. So every time you are entering any route, make sure that the star command and set destination. This is my command prompt. Set device route. Do you know why I'm giving the subnet as this thing, right? Because here I'm showing this 11.0 subnet which is connected to this FortiGate firewall, which is used for management purpose. But whenever I try to access this 11 dot subnet, this IP will be get natted. Sorry, this IP. So I have to mention this destination address for this for taking the management console of it, so that I have entering this command. But uh, so it is show system interface. You can see laptop interface. See, you can go to take access of it. You can do things as well. If you want to know basic configuration, you can do this thing. It doesn't need to. Network. Coming to the network, you can able to see the management report. I set it as management as alias. That's what you are seeing here. If you click this one, you get to see this option. And acknowledging purpose. If you want to know which interface is used for what purpose, so mention this one. That IP access command, right, which is used for this one. Okay. Into this scenario, get the access of it. So if you get the initial HTTP access, you can configure it through the GUI itself. Port one is a lambda lambda. Okay, submit. And for this one, we need to submit the LAN port. Okay, go to the interfaces. Port one is for the LAN. Okay, make it as a LAN. LAN slash 24 is a subnet. It is a default. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. Coming to the point, right? So the port one is got just configured. You can able to see it. It is a it's a LAN port. Coming to the LAN, okay. Port two we need to configure as a LAN. Okay, make it as a LAN, and you have to mention 192.168. My scenario, I'm just around 150 minutes manage this bit slash 68. Okay, here just show. Okay, then just need to go to this policy. Before policy, just go to the Docker. See, it's a 11.1.1.2, and what is here? This is the one IP. Okay. Default you can able to reach this 11.1.2. Is it reachable? Yeah, it's reachable. But if you try to access this 8.8, see here, it's dropping at the 11.1.1. The firewall, it's not processing this 8.8 destination. So you in the FortiGate firewall you have to mention this mention the policy, okay, and then only you can able to reach the internet. So go to the policies and make it as a name LAN to WAN incoming interface as a LAN to the WAN source. You can mention this. I already configured this address here. So we have to mention this LAN connectivity for the destination. For accessing the internet, you have to mention make it as a all, or else some of the IP address will not be reachable. So every time you are uh, applying this internet-based policy, make it as a all. Okay. For the services that you have to filter with these services, because you should not mention all here, because some of the ports might be vulnerable. So for the testing purpose, I'm giving all, but in the production scenario, or else if you are working as a security engineer or in the companies, right? You might get the access to this some kind of a firewall. So you should not make the services all. Okay. Um, okay. It's not used with the outgoing interface address. Okay. It's by default session. Okay. 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 Just go to the app. See, actually, it's still not reachable. Do you know why? Because I have entered the policy here, but I didn't mention this static route. I mean the default route, which is not mentioned in the network section. That's why it's not reachable still. Uh, Separately, I will show you how to debug these kind of situations. Okay, because I know where is the issue which is moving here, so I can able to say this because of the static route it's not reachable. But in your cases, if you're a fresher, you need to do some debugs on those kind of things to check whether why it's not reachable. So or else I will show you here itself. See, use this command get router to details beta data. See, that's a real network. It's not in the team. That's why it's showing like that. Okay. See, after I enter this thing, just check to default. With the same command, you can able to see the default route is not in. Okay. Now if you check this thing, it will be reachable. Okay. Now you get to know how to configure this basic FortiGate firewall. And in future, I'll let you know how to do advanced configuration in the FortiGate. Hope you might enjoy this video. If you have any trouble in configuring this topology, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.